This is going to be a video tutorial on where to find your browser's version in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To find your browser's version in the Vivaldi web browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner where you see the V up here. You want to click that little drop down there. Then you want to go down to where it says Help and place your mouse cursor over Help. Then you want to go straight off to the right side here and all the way down to the bottom where it says About. Now on this new screen that appears, it tells you all kinds of information on your browser here. At the very top, right next to Vivaldi, it tells you what version you're currently running. But that is how to find your browser's version in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.